As fly fishermen, we often find ourselves in breathtaking places. Whether it's the water, fish, or scenery itself that drive us, it's hard to find trout in ugly places. For me, this was a trip to challenge myself, to get out of my comfort zone, and to completely send it into the unknown. So only going off the word of a friend and what little information I could find online, I packed the car and was off. But due to the remoteness of this creek, before any flies would hit the water, a night of camping was required. But we actually got to start off with the non-meat item of dinner, potatoes. Alright, camp has been packed up. We are currently on a dirt road to the spot. This creek is pretty out in the middle of nowhere. The closest campsite was like an hour away. And we just took this turn and there's like these locusts or crickets everywhere. You know, I don't have any locust flies in my fly box, but I got stuff that might look similar, so I guess we'll see. I guess we'll have to see. But we're en route to the river. It's beautiful out here, nobody out here. Dirt road. Hopefully we get on a paved road eventually. Next stop, juicy creek with fish in it. Because it was late spring, I was still very worried that this creek would be blown out and unfishable. And although we were at high elevation, the snowmelt was finished and we arrived to a crystal clear stream. Initially expecting a significant amount of cicada activity, we were surprised when we arrived and saw stoneflies everywhere. So I made the fly change and it didn't take long to find a first fish.
Nice fish. So it ate the dry. I missed him, but he got hooked on the dropper. He's out. Dude, this is just literally the prettiest rainbow I've ever seen. Dude, that was legendary. What a legendary spot. This is insane.
That was a good first catch, dude. With the skunk broken in a matter of minutes, I knew it was going to be a good day.
Unbelievable. Look at this water. Crystal clear. Ooh, free tippet. It's expensive, guys. What are we doing leaving that around? Another one? Hooked up. Got him. About the same size as last one. This one took the dropper, which is exactly what I wanted to do in this spot. Had the ability to really work this water until they got something, and look at that, right in the mouth. Zebra midge, baby. Beautiful rainbow again. Oh, there he goes. Oh, not the giant, but another just beautiful rainbow. Beauty.
I learned two things from that one deep pool. First, I figured out what kinds of bugs the fish were eating subsurface. And second, that this water did hold large fish.
So with optimism, we continued downriver in hopes of finding one of these elusive giants.
Oh, there's a big one. I can see it. That's the one. Nah, it's all good. The good drifts, man. Not happening. It's a fatty. Yup. Not the spot we thought it would come in, but number 4, he's unhooked and he's gone. That was not good fish handling, but we'll take that all day long. Number 4. Dude, I saw a pretty nice one swim from like almost back behind in that crack, and guess it wasn't meant to be, but they were eating down here, so. And that was again on the nymph. What is it? Stonefly. Pretty crazy looking, eh?
Almost every rock I cast it at had a small brown or rainbow trout behind it.
Brown trout. Look at that, guys. Brown trout.
And to interrupt the fish, we stumbled upon actual Native American pictographs.
That is wild.
Just that one, or what is it?
Well, there's this one. There's like an animal over there. There's like a cow or something. Look at them all over here. Look at that one with the horns.
Oh yeah.
Yo. Nice. Look at that. No way. Look at that. Beauty, little brown.
Fishing was great, but after 6 or 7 of these small fish, I was craving something a bit bigger, and we knew they were in this river.
Oh my God. That's a giant. Oh my God. Look at that. Spooked him. Dude, that was a giant.
After spooking one of the biggest fish I had seen all year, we moved up. We found a great shady seam. I made the perfect cast and hooked the biggest fish yet.
Ate the hopper. Just missed him. Really nice fish. See if he wants to drop her. It's a hog. That was a hog. Not like the one we saw, but that was a nice fish. That's a hog. Oh my God. It's a big rainbow. It's a giant rainbow. Oh, we're not done yet. Did you see that take? Let's go. Holy, so strong. Woo, baby! Look at him with the hopper, corner of the mouth. Woo, baby! Oh wow. Right there? Yeah.
Finally, we caught a larger fish. Unfortunately, the fishing continued to be great, so we headed downriver and found a good spot for lunch.
Oh, there's a hog in there. There's 2 hogs in there. Oh my God, Bergs. Oh my God, there's another one. Oh my God. Let's go all the way down, work our way up.
After lunch, we stumbled upon the best water yet. Bigger fish in shallow water, and many of them.
We're doubled up. Got this Moorish hopper that's been working really well today, but it's a darker Moorish hopper than usual. And then on the back, I've just got like a big Chernobyl chubby or whatever you want to call it. Moorish hopper's just been killing it. I think it's dark enough so they think it's a stonefly. So I think that's why it's working. But let's go down here. Come on, come with me. Ooh.
Oh, I thought you had it there.
That was quite the gulp, wasn't it? Oh, did you see that one look at it and turn away? It was, dude, one just came up, goes like this, and goes huge.
Giant. No! After striking out on at least 4 giant fish, I knew it wasn't meant to be. And as the day grew late, it was time to start the 4-mile hike back to the car. But before we could leave, we had to say hello to the locals and couldn't pass up on some of the perfect seams this creek had to offer.
Get him, Brody. It's the biggest brown of the day. On the hopper. Like that.
Dude, I've really lost count. Let's keep moving. Hey, girl, hey. We made it back to the car, thus concluding this Hidden Creek adventure. I hope you enjoyed this mission to get out of my comfort zone and explore what things lie just over the horizon. What is going on, guys? Brody here. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video and the support on the most recent uploads that have hit the channel. Really appreciate it. Just jumping on here to remind you guys to subscribe to the channel. As you can see, only 3% of you guys are actually subscribed. It means the world, and it means that you won't miss any future uploads, which are definitely coming. Like I said, guys, thank you so much for the support. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments. Appreciate it. Later, guys.